respiration strap by opening up the Velcro that's on here. So there's Velcro on both sides of the strap. You really only need to disconnect one to adjust it, but it is very adjustable, and the strap is also a little bit stretchy. So what we're going to do is we're going to open one side, and I'm going to put it around the subject's stomach. Before you do this, you'll either check or ask the subject where they breathe from. So if they breathe more in their stomach, put it on their stomach. If the amplitude of their breath is higher on their chest, you put it on their chest. So we'll put it around, and there's a twist in there somewhere. So you'll just put it back through, and you'll Velcro it down, and then we'll have the subject lay down on the table, making sure they don't get caught up in the wire. And then if we need to, we can adjust the strap, and sometimes when they lay down, it'll loosen up a little bit, so you can just pull it a little bit tighter. Then we can go to acknowledge. The respiration strap is channel 4, and we'll just press start, and then you can see here the subject's breath is kind of expressed as a wave. So each cycle is an inhalation and an exhalation.